Today, in the beginning, we'll go with the practice of words. As we did in the last class, you can choose the word and you have to make sentences. Whatever kind of sentence which is grammatically right and sensible, you can make. Yeah, we'll start from here. Goa is a nice place to visit. Fine. Third line from the last. There is a 50% sale in mall. Yeah, the mall. Yeah. The grazing sheep were in haste because of being hungry for many days. Fine? There is no need of the. Please stop talking. And how getting late and talking are related? हाँ? मैम आप क्या बोलना चाहते हो? Please stop talking. Talking is also fine. हाँ. The हटा दीजिए. Yeah. Fade, fake. No. Flame, game, gate, cave. The date of birth, not born. हाँ. Not burn, birth. BIRTH.
Okay, date of birth.
हाँ. There are few people. Yes. T need not be capital in the. Yeah, rub the board off. By giving one's valuable time. Because you have started with one can. हाँ. हाँ. Will you please cut the cake and eat? Okay, and at the end you have to put a question mark. Fine. Yes, it cannot be is died. So instead of is died, what should be there? Had died?
Died is sufficient, I think.
Died is sufficient. At the age of would be appropriate, fine. In the age of 39 years. Would you like to change anything in this phrase?
In the age of 39 is sufficient, I think.
So okay, at the age of 39 years, that is fine. At the age. At the age. No, इनके जगह पे आपको at लिखना है. Little mistake in the calculation will spoil the whole. Okay. R doesn't look like R. In the word result, some money to buy a new mobile phone. And the word that you chose was? Yeah. The sentences seem to be fine. Okay. Rub the board off. The lime. Time. Timing would be fine. So, smiles. Fine. In a bite is enough. But anyways, in one bite. In a bite के बाद full stop लगा दीजिए. Cut it into. Cut it into. Small slices. Okay. I do not like this.
And if I remove the color, then what will happen?
Transparent bottle.
No, brown color, brown bottle.
Okay, brown.
If we remove that word color from the sentence, does the meaning change? It doesn't change, right?
This red color shirt, white color wall, this is not English. That is Indian misusage. You have to say brown bottle, red shirt, white wall.
Now I'll give you words and you have to tell the sentence orally.
Doctor suggest me. I cannot.
My doctor suggests
Suggests me
small doses.
2 tablets in one dose.
Okay.
She was cooking food on a stove.
Simple present.
Okay, simple present. She cooks the food on the stove.
She cooks the food
On a stove.
on a stove. Fine.
Please go to my home.
No. This is the request order that we learnt initially, right? And we are not asking for it. Okay, I'll take a simple verb buy. If I use we buy, she buys, he buys, or they buy, then I use these kinds of sentences for something that normally happens, usually happens, or something that is routine or habitual. Whatever word that you want to understand, you can pick from those 4 options, and something that is true or a general fact. Okay. So if he says that she cooks food on a stove, that means she usually use only stove while cooking. Fine. So think of something that happens every day regularly, or something that is a general fact. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
I am very close in my family. Yeah,
I am very
close. Close.
हाँ हाँ पूरा बताइए पूरा
I am
sentence.
close. I am very close in my family. To my family.
हाँ, I am very close to my family. Fine, good.
In English, none of the student will get. None of the students is as clever as.
And be quick, please.
My word is stone. She likes to collect colorful stone from beach.
Colorful
Stones.
stones.
Beach. From the beach.
Yeah. So she has a kind of hobby that. Fine. Then it's fine.
I have an orange tree in garden. In the garden, but I want to more trees.
I want to plant.
More
I want to
trees.
plant more orange.
You want more trees or you want to plant more trees?
Orange plant tree. हाँ plant
Plant मतलब?
पौधा.
Two plant.
Two
Two
plant.
plant मतलब रोपना.
अच्छा root.
आप ये कह सकते हैं I want more orange trees या आप ये कह सकते हैं, I want to plant more orange trees. Either way is fine.
My word is bones.
Bones.
Yeah.
Bone. Huh.
So much bones is dinosaur body. That.
There.
Your backbones is damaged in your body, then you are not proper sit.
There are many bones in
Many bones.
the body of dinosaur. In the body of a dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Fine. There are many bones. You have to say it like that. So. I like to
Write short notes during lecture.
I like to write short notes
During
lecture. Fine.
I choose the word tone.
Huh.
The wizard attracts the children with his magical tone.
Good.
My word is slope. I like to ride the bicycle on slope way.
On the slope. Not.
The word is quote. Quote.
Okay.
The quote of Shakespeare is very inspiring. The quotes of Shakespeare is very inspiring.
The quotes of Shakespeare.
Are very inspiring.
Word is ode. I love to read romantic ode.
Ode. Ode. Yeah. Good.
My word is store. I visit the store in every 15 days in search of new books.
I visit
the store in every 15 days in search of new books.
Okay.
My word is zone. This is a danger zone. You have to be very careful for visiting this place.
You have to be very careful
Careful for visiting this place.
while visiting.
While visiting.
Fine. Now we'll move on to the second part of this session. We'll have a speaking session now.
No. We'll have that later.
Now we'll start the speaking session. I'll announce the name and you have to come on the dais and talk. The first one I would like to invite is Padmini Shukla.
Hello everyone. My name is Padmini Shukla, and here I am going to tell you about that. The topic of my speaking is who is responsible, the candidate or the voter. I think you all are above 18 or you all are voted, or I think so you all are eligible to vote. So basically I want to say that in a present our constitution, or if we are talking about a government, or if we are talking about anything is going on in our country, every people have right to vote because it is democracy, and there are some eligibility criteria so people can fulfill. Like that, the people should have a major, that above 18, and the people should have the citizen of India. So basically I want to say that if we know our rights but we are not using our rights properly, we all know that in a previous year there was the election, 14th or 16th जैसे कहेंगे लोकसभा elections हुए थे, and that time there was a lots of people who were eligible to vote. 100 million people were more than the previous elections, but I want to say that nobody wants to know that what's going on. They are not able to understand that to whom candidate they should be select for our government and all, because all the people who are the leader of our country, they are not doing so well, because we people are responsible or they people are responsible for that. if we think about that they people are also responsible, but we people are very much responsible, so we are not understanding that what's going on. Many leaders who are doing crime like rapes and all, like kidnapping, like fraud, but they are our leaders and they are doing leadership on us. So who is responsible? Definitely we can say we are responsible, they are also responsible, and the eligibility criteria are also responsible of our government. If we say that people don't understand that the people who is not literate, who is illiterate, or he is doing, who is the leader of our organization, or who is doing the thing, but the person who is who is illiterate or who is not understand that what's going on in our country, but they are ready to vote. They can't vote just because they are illiterate. They don't know that how to vote. But the people who are illiterate, who are the many cases going on the person, they can enter and they can do the vote. They can survive and they can lead us in our country. So definitely I want to say that people should understand that what are the rights and liabilities of the person, or they should do the vote, understand and decide that what's going on in our country. Thank you very much.
Vivek Singh?
I was in dilemma before coming here, what to select and what not to select for the topic. So my topic is dilemma of any person for selecting his career option. So as a student, as I was a children, means anybody of us don't care when we are children what to do in the life. I mean, after graduation, what to do. So initially, like everybody, I also prepared for joint entrance exam, and it took a great effort to clear that. Then I was selected in IIT Delhi. But the real journey started after that, and as same like the other students, there was a dilemma in my mind what to do. There are various options when you are in graduation, one being the civil services, engineering services, and other government services. And there are some other like the private jobs. And there is also distinction between core jobs and non-core jobs. In core jobs, as I am a student of civil engineers, we think it is more like a labor work. During BTech, it seems to be more like a labor work. We studied so much for doing such a labor work here. And there's another like the non-core job who are highly paid, which are the highly paid posts. So this created dilemma in everybody's mind for almost 2 years. So one question arises in the mind of student, especially engineering students. Means we are studying here engineering for 4 years, and afterwards, if you go in some finance job or in some banking jobs, so it is like doing something which you are not aware of. So means it's seem me to like wasting my 4 years of life before opting for a new option. And there is one option that really fascinated me after 3 years, and it was like going for higher education. And the job of a professor looks me really fascinating in this way, and it is and there are mainly there are 2 reasons because of which it fascinated me. One was that it is highly regarded, and the second one, it is highly paid also. But there is only one problem in being a professor, is that you have to study hard, really hard, for many years. So it looks as a quite long struggle for any student to study so much. And even as a societal, there is a societal pressure, you should get a job, and say, it's your age to get a job. So you should go for a job. So this is a general story of all these students who come here who come here in IITs and all that. So this is what is the dilemma in my mind. So any questions?
So what's your advice?
I think it's better to think before doing graduation what to do in the life, so that taking a correct good option before.
What monthly salary you call high pay?
Sir, actually I am not very fond of very great money. Means anything about 10 lakh per year is okay for me.
So anything above that is high.
Yeah.
It is not wasting our time for 4 years because we cannot achieve anything at the same time. So we have to go step by step. If I am in some part of here PhD, in some courses when I am working with BTech, I think it is not for me. But now I realize that if I read at that time, then it is better for me.
But you are doing PhD, therefore you are doing.
Yeah. Now Naresh Sharma. The next one would be Muskan Kalsi.
Myself Naresh Sharma. Yeah, my topic is media. Yeah, nowadays media is a very important role in our society. It is like if we eat food, we wear the cloth. Same thing, we need media. For every situation, if we know about what is going on in the society, what is going on in the America and what is going on in the Europe, we need media. Media in the form of FM, TV, social media, Facebook, Twitter, and all these things. Media is a mirror which shows the image of the society. Okay. Media can be in the form of education, entertainment, and maybe some advertisement is there. Everyone wants the information through this media. But nowadays, the image of this media is corrupted. In every person thinks this channel is not good. The information is not good in this channel. This is biased for some political background. This is biased for this thing. This is biased for this thing. This is the current situations. People also want to see the news they like. If I like this political party, then I would like to see these channels. And the reporters also, channels owners also want to increase the TRP. They show nonsense, everything. Just for this is the present situation of the media. In the form of that DD1 and some other Akashvani is there. That at that time the impression of the media is if we see some person on the channels or news, we say it is a very big person and highly personalized person. Now we see this person is in the media, then this is corrupted or something is going on with this. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, now it's open for discussion.
You are saying that TRP is going faster, but TRP is going faster, then we are also using the TVs or media channels. Yeah. That's why TRP is going on. So we are also.
I see now.
Use the mic.
I see now. People also want to see that news they want.
Yes. That's why you are saying.
Yeah.
Do you have a Facebook account?
Yeah.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Siddharth. I'm an MTech student from SELF department. I want to tell about an incident that happened with me when I was 9 or 10th. I was in 9 or 10th class. What happened? It was Sunday morning. I woke up and went to the terrace because it was winter season. So, and I heard some a screaming of a dog maybe, and I started searching from where it is coming. It is like crying of a puppy. So I saw it was an abandoned house actually besides my home, and there was a puppy actually. He fell into a well, and he was just trying to come out, but he was not able to because it was a very deep well. So he was just swimming there, trying to come out and screaming, and all of his brother, 4 or 5 puppies were there. They were just means they were barking and just sitting around, and they can't help also. So I asked my mom that when did this happen? So she said maybe 15 minutes back. So I was surprised, means since 15 minutes everyone was awake, and no one tried to help, because actually it is an abandoned house. No one was there since 10 years back. So it is a so no one dares to go there because and the well was also not surrounded by any wall. It is just open one, and it's very deep, so no one dares to. But somehow I couldn't hear that noise again and again, because someone is dying, man, in front of you. So I rushed downwards to my grandmother. I asked for a bucket and a rope, and there was nothing, means no entrance to go inside that house. So I climbed a tree, and through its bark I jumped over the wall and went there. And with the help of rope, with the help of rope and a bucket, I tried to pull him up. But a rope and a bucket means how could you just means make the puppy go inside the bucket? Means so I then asked for a bamboo, a long bamboo, and then I tried for 5 to 10 minutes, but I couldn't able to put the puppy inside the bucket. So after 5 to 10 times, 5 to 10 minutes, actually I able to catch him, and I start pulling him up. But unfortunately, what happened? The bucket broke, because grandma gave. So it is like grandma means they always give something. The old ones for that purpose, means how could she give a new one? So it was a cracked one, so it broke. So my 5 to 10 minutes of struggling gone waste. So then I asked for another one, and then I again started. Then 5 to 10 minutes again I took to catch him. Then I again pulled, but unfortunately this time rope broke, because it was again grandma who given me. So so then I again asked for a new one. Then I again tried. So it was near about 15-20 minutes. I tried pulling him up, but I was unable to. One of my bhaiya, means he was my neighbor, he saw me, and then he came for helping. And again we got 2 bamboos, and then we tried both together. It was after 25 minutes, I guess, I was able to pull him up. But unfortunately, he died. Yes. I was not able, means 20 to 25 minutes struggling was just gone waste. Means I actually pulled him up, but he died. Maybe 1 or 2 minutes, if I could be hurried, then he must be saved. Because when I started picking him up, he was alive. But with the bucket, some water also came in, so while pulling, maybe he was not able to survive. So, and one thing I remembered, that after he died, means we have taken him away, and his dead body we have taken away, and after 1 or 2 days, all of his brothers that were there, I see a strange thing in puppies, means they all vanished. Means I have never seen any of them. Means they were used to play in that place, but after that they all vanished, and I don't know, they died or what happened to them. They are maybe in sorrow. This happens in animals also, man. His brother is drowning, so maybe. So that was a incident I was to share with you.
Okay, next speaker would be Purnima Sharma.
Good evening, everyone. Frankly speaking, I am not prepared for the topic. I just decided, but I'll speak. My topic is nowadays management colleges are hub. I mean, we can see in metro cities, Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, they have so many management college, and for student, once everyone wants to go for MBA. Even I did MBA, and I'm realizing that everyone wants to go for MBA, go for management colleges for degree, but nowadays colleges I mean, colleges are like business. I mean, they are just getting some, I don't know what the word, I mean, we give some money for admission.
Donation.
They take donation for admissions. I mean, they take huge amount of donation for even like students are, they apply for loan for that and they give that loan as a donation. That is not good, I think. I mean, people are also involved into like this the process of taking donation is like, is there, job? I mean, they involved into these things and they, I don't know. I need some time to think. I mean,
Okay.
okay, you have any questions? I can answer. Yes.
Why is it that everyone is not, comfortable with their own degrees, not?
I mean, what? I didn't get you.
Why?
Why is it so that people seem to be not happy with their own degree? He is not happy with.
It is just because of placements. If you'll get the good placement, you'll be happy.
I am happy.
Not placement.
I am very happy with my degree. I have got a good placement, so I am happy. Yes, that is actually the correct answer, because whenever you join for an educational program, you have some aspirations in mind, and then at the end of it, if you are placed appropriately, then your aspirations are fulfilled, then you are happy with your degree. Okay.
Exactly.
Otherwise, you are not happy.
Exactly.
So that is the correct answer.
I think being placed depends 80% on you and 20%
Always.
on the
No-
college. So
nowadays
you are
people
not
are
blaming the college for everything that we are not getting placed.
But we are
If we have the ability,
But we are human. So if we don't reach in time, then we blame the traffic. That is the way we are.
Also, I mean, I
Yes.
find it this way that in today's world, especially India, like developing countries, MBA degree has a neon light syndrome. Okay, I mean,
Yeah, exactly.
it's like very sophisticated. People are jumping for it. So good money, good attire. Okay, nice life, 5 days, 2 nice weekends. Okay, at the restaurant or pub. So that life also becomes people.
Exactly.
Money is very important.
Exactly, money is very important. Money is not everything, but money is something.
Yes.
So what do you think as an alternate to minimize? What do you think as an alternate?
As an alternate, we should realize our capability. We should not go for with the crowd. We should know where we have to go, and we should go. Exactly.
Yes. I think.
But crowd is going in search of money only.
Crowd is like I'll tell you, like crowd is going for the degree, the undegree, but I said people should realize their capability, where to go. If like I'll take an example, if somebody is good at singing, but he is also going for MBA, so he can make his career in singing. That's it.
And it is also dependent on the economy of the country. Means if you have more jobs in a particular sector, then why will people not go in that sector? Means if the MBA sector is giving more jobs, then more.
Who said? I didn't said MBA sector is giving more jobs. I said there are. I mean,
I'm saying that it is giving more jobs, therefore people are doing.
For the matter, she is not agreeing that MBA
Is giving
more
more.
jobs.
I'm not
But
agreeing.
whatever job it is giving, that job gives a lot of money.
Exactly.
So people are getting attracted toward it.
Towards.
Okay, good. So today's speaking session we stop here.